This is Oxford Sewage Treatment Works, which is a Thames water facility. All sewage treatment works employ sludge digesters, which are effectively a large pressure cooker processing raw sludge as part of the secondary treatment on site. Over time, these digesters corrode, causing cracking and wear and tear. The typical life of a digester will be 30 years. The conventional costs of a civils repair would typically be over £100,000. To replace the asset on a 30-year cycle would be approximately £1 million. This would require demolishing the existing asset, taking a process offline. Our solution is to use polyurea coating to top hat the asset to extend its life. Typically, by top hatting this with the polyurea coating, in normal working conditions, we'd expect to get a 15 to 20 year extension of asset life for the digester, at a cost 33% below a civils remediation. The process includes shot blasting the old coatings and preparing the substrate so that we can identify any civils repairs that will need to be done. We will then apply a primer to enhance the adhesion qualities that we get to the concrete structure. With polyurea coating, 80% of the process is preparation of the substrate. This is essential to make sure you get good adhesion. And finally, we will then apply a 2mm to 3mm coating of polyurea, which will give the durability for the asset and extend its life. A great advantage of using Adler and Allan's polyurea for the extension of asset life is that there is no need for asset downtime. The polyurea has a very quick cure, typically within 5 minutes, and fully cured within 48 hours. In fact, the asset stays running while we're applying the polyurea, with the caveat that we reduce the pressure just to relieve tension. We are very proud to be working with Thames Water, bringing efficiency to their asset management strategy while maintaining the serviceability of their assets for their customers.